Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like all I've been doing is flip through videos, but every time I get time to film, I have a book to flip through, and then by the time I finish that, well, I'm kind of done. But I'll try to vary it. So today we are flipping through Beauties and Beasties. This is the latest release by Camilla quite a few people in the UK have already gotten this. So you may have already seen the flip through, but if not, here we go. All right. It's a nice paper, nice and thick too. Oh my gosh, look at it. He's eating pickles. That's adorable. Her style is definitely unique. I don't want to hear anyone ever say that she looks like someone else, because there is nothing like her. One thing though is I wish like the backgrounds weren't there. I like this one, no background, but like her patterned or wallpapered backgrounds are not really my thing. This star one might work out, but like this one here, it almost like it's a different weight, line weight too, so it's like feels out of place. So yeah, there's just somewhere I'm like, I'll cover that up. This one's cute. Like this one's too much. I'll probably just cover it. Pretend it was never there. Oh, that's adorable. Little take on Winnie the Pooh. Oh, that one's so pretty. I don't mind this background. This is gorgeous. Let me see if I can get that to open. This was a pre-order. I had gotten it on the day it released. I just am now getting around to the flip through. But you can get it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, it is super cute and good paper, which makes it always worth it. Oh, look at that. I will not be doing a giveaway for this book, just FYI. If ever I'm giving away a new book, I'll usually put it in the description and tell you right from the get-go. Like that. So many pretty pictures. Oh, I like that, except for the bows. Those are kind of killing it for me. Oh, lovely. These double page spreads are cool, except for the fact that they go right into the binding, but sometimes you just can't get away from that, can ya? Ooh, these are really nice. Again, the backgrounds, I don't know. Like this one's okay with the stars. Even this one with the floating feathers, because it makes sense and it works. But like this one, I kind of wish those weren't there so I could do something else with the background, even though she's got clovers. I don't know, maybe it's just me. It's just sometimes they feel unnecessary. But see, I like this background. I don't like this one. So like, I don't know. It's a hit or miss. Actually, these furry little hearts are kind of funny. Oh, this is cool. It's like her hair's tied into a bow. The turtle on her head. Such a unique style. Oh, that one's definitely creepy. That one's cute. I like that one. There's some good ones in here. Very good. Even with the background issue, like I said, I can cover that up, so it's not really even an issue. It's just something I point out because it bothers me, but I don't know if it bothers everyone. Ooh, that's cool. That's really cool. She is so talented. Yeah, I wouldn't know what to do with that one, but the feathers I can work with. Even though I'm really afraid of coloring feathers. And I think that's it. Yeah. All right. So that is the latest release of Pop Manga Beauties and Beasties from Camilla de Erico. If you got this book, let me know what you think. And yeah, until next time, take care. Bye now.